Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to download and install Intel Graphics Command Center. Sometimes when you get your graphics driver installed via Windows Update, you won't get this command center, and when you go to Microsoft Store to install it, the one available there is the beta. So if you want to install the stable one, in this video I'm going to show you process on how to install it on any laptop. This is a HP laptop and I didn't get it after installing Intel Graphics driver from Windows Update. For some reason I don't see it, and when I go to Microsoft Store, what I see there is the beta. So this video will walk you through on how to install Intel Graphics Command Center on any laptop. I hope this video helps you. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.